What's up, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you this lovely vlog. Today I'm behind the camera and I'm quickly going to show you a quick unboxing of this lovely DYSON V15s Detect Submarine. I've already unpacked it, so as you can see up there, and nothing left in the box. So this is how it comes in, and this is the box. Really lovely DYSON box. Let me see if I can manage to go around with one hand. Yes. All right, so you got DYSON on this side, and this is how it looks like. It's really the V15, the submarine one, with a mop on the side, and this is it. So you got the mop right here, the submarine mop, and you got everything that comes in the box. So you got the mop, you got the stand where the mop comes or rests on, you got the battery, the wall mount, and you got the battery holder. You got a few pieces. This one, the charger. You got the DYSON, the vacuum cleaner itself, and you got one more piece, and you got this the joint stick up there, and this is everything. This is everything from DYSON. Really lovely. All right, I'm gonna try and connect it and then show you guys if no, I think I think it's on this side. So I'm going to try and connect it with one hand. Now, let me see. Yeah, I think I got it. Yes, I got a little bit of help right there. All right, I'm going to carry it from this side, show you guys. So it's on the medium. You can change this one to low, medium, high, and low. And yeah, that's how it looks like. The V15 submarine, V15s Detect Submarine. Oh, I love that sound. That is lovely. So whenever I'm like vacuuming around, it detects everything. And actually it has this one, this connector with the light, with the fluffy optic, it's called. So it comes with this, piece with the anti-tangle comb also in there, and you got this small joint piece too, with also the same anti-tangle comb in there, and you got the small ones, the usual small ones where you can just adjust, and you got a brush on this side, and you got these ones for in between, like small places. Hey, I see some few things which I'm gonna actually clean up right away with this lovely, so it's gonna come very handy right now. All right, guys, that's it. Don't forget, be kind to another and subscribe to the channel. Catch you on the next one. Peace.